Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter K-1 in TurboTax. So all you have to do is head over to TurboTax and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on the search button and from the search bar, just search for K-1. Then press enter and from here, from the search results, click on jump to K-1. And this will redirect you to Schedules K1 or Q. Just answer the question, did you receive any Schedules K1 or Q? Then choose yes if you do. And from here, you might be prompted to upgrade to TurboTax Premium. Then proceed by clicking on Upgrade to Premium. Then next, just click on Continue button. And from here, you should be able to enter in your schedules K1 details, such as Form 1065, Form 1120S, and Form 1041. You can head over and start on the specific form to edit it. Then once done, just head over and click on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one.
Bye.